Today, we're going to do a medley of cabbage, onions, shrimp, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger. Our wok is heating up, and we got, ooh yeah, the oils that are existing are starting to flavor off. Let's oil this a little bit. Put a little oil in there. Our wok is smoking. That's what we want. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to add the ginger. And I'm going to add a little more oil. Now I'm going to add my shrimp. Look at those shrimp. Oh yeah. We're going to do the tomatoes. Our tomatoes are boiling off, as you can tell, getting nice. And it's only about 3 minutes into this. I got a juice going. Yeah. They're getting softer. You mash them a little bit. You get that flavor. Good old tomato flavor. Oh boy. Okay, now we're going to add our cabbage. We're just going to stir that in a little bit. Let it simmer down. Because the cabbage is not going to take long. Okay, we're about 8 minutes into this. Now I'm going to add my fish sauce. We're going to mix it in. All right, we are done. Look at that, it's boiling nice. We got a nice little simmer going. Everything's nice and cooked. Oh man, look at that. Shut the fire. We're just gonna let it sit and stir it up a little bit. Okay, want to get those flavors. Let's plate it. There you go, man. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Mike's stir-fry, cabbage, shrimp, garlic, ginger, and onions. And of course, some fish sauce.